Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about the clothes. Chapter number 5, the clothes we wear. The clothes we wear. Okay? See what is written here. The clothes we wear. The, clothes, clothes we, wear. In this lesson, we are going to learn about why we wear clothes. We all wear clothes, right? And do you know why do we wear clothes? Students, we wear clothes because clothes cover our body. Clothes cover our body and protect us from what? From sun, light, heat, cold, dust, rain, and insects too. Clothes are our basic needs, right? We need clothes. Why do we need clothes? To protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, and dust and insects too. The clothes we wear should not be too tight and too loose. It is enough for free movement. It is enough for free movement. Okay? Students, we wear clothes according to the season. According to the season, according to the occasion and occupation. We wear clothes according to the season and occasion and occupation. See, season. How many seasons are there in a year? There are 3 seasons in a year. Winter, summer and rainy season. Winter, summer and rainy season. See here. First is summer season. See. Summer season. Students, summer is very hot, right? It is hot during summer. We feel very hot in summer. So we wear cotton clothes. Why? Because it is cotton clothes are soft and airy. Cotton clothes are soft and airy. So we wear it in summer. Cotton clothes absorb sweat from our body and keeps us very cool. Cotton clothes keeps us very cool. See here. The clothes are given. See first one. What is this? T-shirt. We wear t-shirts, then tunic, then frock, then shorts in summer, then top. This is loose top, then skirt. See, this type of clothes are soft and airy. So we can wear these clothes in summer season because it absorbs sweat from our body and keeps us very cool. Okay? Now see, in winter season. Winter means very cool season. We feel very cold in winter. So it is very cold in winter. In winter season we wear woolen clothes and we wear dark colored clothes. Why? Because they absorb heat and keep our body warm. See, they absorb heat and keep our body warm. We get wool from sheep. See, people living in very cool countries wear heavy woolen fur or leather jacket to keep themselves warm because it is very cold in winter season. If we are wearing woolen clothes or fur clothes, it keeps us warm. See here. See, this is a jacket and then sweater. We can wear jackets. Why? Because leather jackets keep us warm. Then sweater. See, this sweater made up of wool. Made up of wool. so it keeps us warm. Here we wear full length pant. Full length pant. Why? Because if we are wearing jeans or full length pant, we cannot feel cold. See, we use muffler also. Here, see the picture, muffler. We use muffler also. Keeps us warm. We use socks in winter. We use gloves in winter. We use cap also in winter. If we are using this type of clothes, this type of warm clothes or woolen clothes, we cannot feel cold. So we wear clothes according to the season. In summer season, we wear cotton clothes. In winter season, we wear woolen clothes. Now students, the third one is rainy season. The third one is rainy season. See, what happens in rainy season? It is rain. It rains in rainy season. So, to protect ourselves getting wet, what we are doing? When it rains, what we are doing? We wear raincoat. We wear raincoat so that we do not get wet. So, we do not get wet. We may also use an umbrella. We use an umbrella. We cover ourselves with raincoats. We wear raincoats and use umbrellas to keep ourselves dry. To keep ourselves dry. And see here, we can wear gumboots to keep our feet dry. See here, we use gumboots. Why? Because gumboots keeps our feet dry. So in rainy season, we use raincoats, then umbrella, then gumboots. So in rainy season, when we go out, we cover ourselves with raincoats. We wear raincoats and we use umbrella to keep ourselves dry. Okay, students? Now students, see here in these pictures. See the first picture. Firefighters, policemen, pilot, then soldier, nurse, sailor. See this. People wearing specific dress. People wearing specific dress for specific job. It is called uniforms. It is called uniform. See the examples here. Firefighters. See his dress. He has worn red color dress. See the policeman. Did you see police? Yes. Policeman has also a specific dress to do the specific job. So here policeman, see policeman wearing khaki colored dress. Here pilot dress. Okay. See children, here also soldiers also wearing a special dress. Here nurse has also wearing a special dress for specific job. Here sailor also wearing a special dress. Means people wearing specific dress for specific job called uniforms. These are their uniforms. These are their uniforms. See children, you also wear uniform in school, right? You are wearing uniform in the school. Like that, these people also have their own uniform to do the specific jobs. Here see people who do the same kind of work wear special clothes and called uniform. That called uniforms. Okay children?